Hey guys, I wanted to quickly unbox this package that I got in the mail. It's a rather large box, so I'm going to go grab it and then I'm going to unbox it here in front of you. And I do have a discount code. It's an ombre color. I'm obsessed with this. And this is a three-piece set, so I'm going to take them all out. But first I'm going to adjust the camera because I feel like it's a little too high for this. I have all three pieces here and I'm going to show you some close-ups of it. This luggage is awesome. It's very durable. My friend actually recommended this brand to me and I reached out to them and they sent me these three amazing pieces. So I'm not getting paid for this. These are just awesome pieces of luggage that I'm excited to use because I travel so much and you know luggage can be expensive. So that's why I'm giving a discount code to use. And this is the ombre color. I'll link it down below for you guys. I have another pair of Jordans here. And so these are unlike any Jordans that I have bought. I do not own Jordan lows. And they're also golf shoes. If you're wondering why I bought golf shoes, well, I really like the color. They're university blue. And I originally wanted the low dunks in university blue, but I mean, those are going for so much. And I got these on the Nike app when they came out the other day, and I actually love these. These actually look exactly like the regular Jordan lows. I mean, this color is amazing. I'm a huge fan of university blue. Off to Palm Beach with my iFly luggage set. gift card at West Elm for this collaboration. Okay, I literally need this couch. Hi. Everything is literally adorable. You guys, if I didn't have lunch right now, I would be redecorating. Pillows, gorgeous. I'm definitely coming back here. Look at these vases. Candlesticks.
Jasmine, right?
Yes, thank you.